Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Parth Bajaj and I'm a home baker. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make chocolate trifle. And it is one of the easiest things you can make at home. And it requires only a couple of things like a chocolate cake, some chocolate, some fresh cream and some toppings. All we need is just some whipping cream. I'm using a non-dairy whipping cream by Silver Mark. 75 grams of fresh cream, 150 grams of chocolate, you can also use a compound, and a chocolate cake. I'm using homemade chocolate cake, but you can also use a ready-made chocolate cake. And lastly, some toppings such as chocolate chips or Oreo biscuits or any other types of chocolate biscuits. So let's make this, shall we? So for making the ganache, I'm going to heat my cream in the microwave for 1 minute. You can also do this over the double boiler. After you have heated the cream, just pour it directly over your chocolate and let it sit over there at least for 1 minute before you mix both of them. So our ganache is now ready and look how silky smooth it is. So I'm just going to keep it at the side until it cools down, and till then we'll be making our whipped cream. For that I've taken here 120 grams of non-dairy whipping cream and I'm going to whip it till stiff peaks. So our whipped cream is now ready as it has whipped to stiff peaks. Now we're just going to keep it at the side and let's move on to our cake. So here I have a homemade chocolate cake which I'm going to break into small pieces around 1 inch in size. You can also make it smaller or bigger depending on the size of your bowls. Just break it into small pieces. So our chocolate ganache is cooled completely and now I'm going to add some of my whipped cream to my chocolate ganache to make chocolate whipped cream. So just take around half of that and fold it with the mixture of chocolate ganache. So for folding it, just take the spatula like this and keep going round and round. So just fold both of these together to form a chocolate whipped cream. This is just how I like to do it. You can also increase or decrease the amount of cream in this mixture. So our chocolate whipped cream is now ready, and now our final element, which is our toppings. For that I have some chocolate chips and I'm going to crush some chocolate Oreos. So for crushing the Oreos, I'm using a rolling pin. You can also mix it in the mixer grinder or a food processor. Just do this for 2 to 3 minutes and your crushed Oreos will be ready. So now all of our elements for the trifle are ready. Here's the whipped cream, the chocolate whipped cream, the chocolate cake and some Oreos. Now it's time to make some trifle finally. And using small trifle bowls for the same, you can use a bigger bowl and make one trifle. I'm going to make 3-4 small trifles. So the first layer is going to be our cake. I'm going to just sprinkle some of my chocolate cake in the bowl. After that I'm going to add some crushed Oreos, some chocolate chips and then some of our whipped cream. You can also use a piping bag to do this, but I just try to avoid plastic usage as much as possible. And after that I'm just going to use a palette knife and smooth the layer of cream. Just like this. And the second layer of cake goes right in. Just blend that out evenly and add some of the chocolate mixture this time. This is nothing but a chocolate whipped cream. I'm using a palette knife for this, but you can also do this with a spatula or your hand or whatever. And feel free to adjust the recipe according to your needs. If you don't have something, just skip it. Now a final layer of our cake, a very thin layer, some chocolate chips, some Oreos. So our chocolate trifles are now ready to eat and I can't wait to dig in. This is an extremely simple recipe as you saw, and you can totally customize it to your liking. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can also follow me on Instagram to check out more of my content. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.